How often do you think about the security of your inbox? Email is a foundational element of nearly every organization, so much so that we often take it for granted. But, and this is important, if you're still using a physical server to host Microsoft Exchange for email and calendar tools, you could be putting your organization at risk. Think about it like leaving your wallet on the front seat of your car with the doors unlocked. Easy pickings for criminals, right? By granting remote access to login panels like Exchange Admin Center, Exchange Web Services, or Remote Procedure Call, and making them discoverable over the web, you're essentially signaling to attackers that you're an easy target that's worth their effort. To make matters worse, since 2021, Microsoft's been releasing a steady stream of critical vulnerabilities. Some of these are even pre-authentication vulnerabilities that allow attackers to bypass login controls. And it's not just about email and calendar. When an attacker gets access to your Exchange server, they can wreak havoc on your entire network. They can get access to sensitive systems, steal data, and even infect your network with ransomware. Yikes. So how bad is it? Coalition's most recent claims data shows that organizations using on-premises Exchange are nearly twice as likely to experience a claim. Because this is such a critical issue, Coalition typically requires organizations to mitigate Exchange vulnerabilities before we bind or renew a policy. At Coalition, we're about solutions. And honestly, the best long-term solution is to consider moving your email to a secure, reliable cloud service. But if that's not possible right away, don't worry. There's things that you can do. And here are a few ideas to get you started. You can minimize the exposure by removing the Exchange login panels I mentioned earlier from the public internet. Some technology solutions could include using firewall access control lists, using a virtual private network or proxy, and protective DNS. You also want to limit the functionality of Exchange Web Services and Remote Procedure Call to only work in an outbound direction. But no need to fret. There's a lot you can do to protect your organization, and you don't need to do it alone. Current and prospective policyholders can head over to Coalition Control for support, documentation, and technology recommendations to help keep your business safe. Brokers and policyholders can even connect with Coalition's security engineering and security support center teams for additional guidance. Remember, protecting your business matters, and at Coalition, we're here to help.